Assalamualaikum and a very good evening. I bid to the fellow candidates. So thank you for coming to our discussion. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. I'm glad to hear that. So today we are going to discuss about the most suitable activity that can be held during the Nature Week. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, shall we start? Alright, let's go. So, in my opinion, the best activity that we can have for the Nature Week is the Recycling Day. As we know, recycling is the most important component when it comes to conserving the nature. So, by having this day, by having the Recycling Day, it can expose the beneficial of practicing the recycling habit among the students in the university. So that the students will know that it will reduce the tendency of the environment to get polluted. Okay. Rather than that, our landscape can be prevented from becoming polluted, poison, and even causing health problem among the people who live near the place. Okay. Other than that, university is also full of junk stuff, from old bottle to the rubber junk, and also to mail. All of them seems endless. By having this day, the students may collect all of the junk stuff and put it on the right place, where it can make the environment a better place and also cleaner than before. And last but not least, the benefit is that it can offers a cash. It can offers income to the university itself, because when we send the junk to the factories, they may provide us a little money that we can obtain. So, Awi, what is your opinion? Do you agree with me?
Okay, thank you, candidate A. In my opinion, the best activity to be organized during the Nature Week is organize a trip to the national park. First of all, by organizing this trip to the national park, the students can see the beautiful scenery of nature in front of our eyes. Okay, for instance, when the students had their trip to the national park, they will enhance their knowledge about some crops such as mangrove trees by having this trip. So, by see the crops in front of their eyes, they can increase awareness about the importance of taking our nature. So, when the awareness spread into their self, they can help in order to ensure that our environment is free from the pollution. Besides, the students can motivate themselves to become kind of nature by having this trip. Okay. From this trip, the students can increase their awareness to become love to nature. By this feeling of love to the nature, the students can prevent themselves from pollute the environment, and this can ensure we can live in a better quality of air. So by quality of air, we can prevent from any disease. So what do you think? Yes.
I think that the best activity that should be held during the Nature Week is organizing a camping trip to a forest reserve. In general, forest reserve is forest where illegal activities done by humans like logging and deforestation are prohibited. By organizing this camping trip, it could nurture students to appreciate the environment that has been ravished by the human. Despite being the students closer to the nature, the students will realize the benefits of the forest preserve to human. Aside from that, they could get fresh air by walking inside the forest. When they spend most of their time near a lot of trees, they will take in more oxygen. Hence, this could enhance their body health. Despite that, we could lessen the stress and burdens piling up from the result of numerous tasks and homework, even from the lecturer. For example, we could enjoy the exquisite scenery in the forest while studying the flora and fauna that exists in the forest. So, what do you think of my opinion?
I don't want to be rude, but in my opinion, organized a tree planting activity is the best activity for the nature week. So first, my reason is it can give awareness to the student. For example, students in school are more alert about the issue, and this will make students become more closer to the nature. When the students become more closer to the nature, they will care, they will love the plants, the nature, and secondly, people can get more oxygen and fresh air. This will reduce the pollution and erosion. So the trees give off the oxygen that we need to breathe. So the trees will reduce the amount of the storm water runoff. Okay. Thirdly, students can get more information about the plants and their advantages. So, for example, student in UPN, like foundation student, they take agriculture subject in their main subject. So they need to know about the plants and their advantages so that they can do well in the exam. Okay, next, trees that provide food production and home for birds. So this will reduce, if we plant more trees, this will reduce the instinct of the animal. And lastly, my point is plants can stabilize the soil so that the landslide not occurs. So what?
I don't mean to be rude, but I'm afraid I have to disagree with you. It's because Nature Week is all about preserving and conserving the nature. The week is supposed to cultivate the students to practice a good habit on creating a better environment. I think that the most suitable activity is the recycling day, because it may be the stepping stone for the students to start the beneficial habit. By this, the environment will become cleaner. So it's the way. Okay, so what do you guys think?
After hearing your opinion, I would agree with your opinion, which is organize a recycling day. So by organized recycling day, the students can increase their knowledge about the materials that can be recycled, such as papers, bottles, and plastics besides. The students also can hands on hands to clean the environment of the university in order to ensure that university areas are free from the pollution and rubbish. So by organizing these students to practice the recycling method in the future, in order to produce a quality of environment. So that's all my point. So do you agree with the recycling day activity?
Yeah, I think I agree with you, because recycle activity is important because if we environment still not clean, like, and still pollutes. So I think.
So is that everyone agree with the with the activity?
Yes.
So can we come to conversation?
Based on our discussion, I believe that all of us agree with candidate A's opinion, which is organized recycling day. So, based on our discussion, we can conclude that recycling day is the best activity that can be organized during this nature week. Thank you for a fruitful and stimulating discussion. I hope that we all can have a discussion together in the future.
Thank you.